Have you ever wanted to share your agent conversations with your teammate? Well, Capacitor helps you with that. Let me show you how. Say you've just wrapped up a tricky update, and your team needs to understand what your agent actually did. Right now, that whole session is only available on your machine, and there's no easy way to share it. This is where Capacitor comes in. Let's open it up and click on the session in Capacitor. Click the Share button here, and you can choose who you want to share it with, or you can share with your whole team. Click Apply, and now they've got access instantly. So now that they've got access, let's share it with them. So we can copy a link of the session by clicking here, or you can do it yourself from the address bar here, and then you can send it to your team. They can open it right in their browser to see the whole session. Alternatively, they can open a coding agent like Claude Code, and if they have the capacitor CLI installed already, they can just ask it to recap the session, and you can paste the link in that you just copied, hit enter, and this triggers the capacitor skill to load the whole session into the agent's context. And with the conversation loaded, they can ask really detailed things about your session. For example, in turn 2, why did he choose this strategy? And what was the reasoning behind it? And it will try to answer it based on the conversation I had with my agent. This is a really powerful way for your team to understand the decision that was made with the coding agent that you cannot just get with code alone. So you can share sessions with anyone and not just to yourself. All the reasoning, the intent, and the decisions behind things. And that's how easy session sharing is with Current Capacitor.